9 to 10 inches Buffer Bonnets 9 PCS Waxers Bonnet Set Polishing Pads Bonnet Car Buffer Bonnet Car Wax Kit Mix Pack of Coral Fleece, Woolen, Microfiber. Apply to 9-10 car buffer bonnets, can be used for all kinds of furniture, automobile manufacturing, metal, bronze, wood paint, interior design, advanced kitchen utensils, musical instruments such as the final buffer procedure, special to the surface and parts of buffing. This Waxers Bonnet Set consists of 3 materials, 2 PCS of coral fleece, 3 PCS of woolen, 4 PCS of blue microfiber, which can achieve waxing, cleaning, and polishing function. Soft material, not to hurt the paint. The Waxer buffing bonnet consists of high-intensity threads which are not easy to break, adopting finish machining in case of line and brushing off to make sure this can be used repeatedly. As the microfiber owns the feature of good toughness and extension, its service life is more than 4 times the life of ordinary towels. Can be used repeatedly, it will not deform by multiple washing, will not mold or rot in wet. Lint-free microfiber and soft synthetic fleece materials is safe on paint and other delicate surfaces. It prevents cloth fibers from sticking to your freshly cleaned car. Click the link in the description to get this product.